Today we will be explaining the difference between quantitative and qualitative research and how to know which one to use depending on the study. Quantitative and qualitative research plays an important role in providing ways in understanding behavior. According to Cosby and Bates, qualitative research focuses on people behaving in natural settings and describing the world in their own words. Qualitative research refers to research that derives meaning from verbal text. To make qualitative observations, researchers use their five senses to describe the world around them. These are interpretations by the investigator that are portrayed through language and simply what the researcher observes. For example, if you have a group of cats, a qualitative approach would include the researcher describing the cats and grouping them by color or size. In addition, Cosby and Bates refers to quantitative research as specific behaviors that can be easily quantified or counted. Quantitative data refers to research that involves numerical data. When collecting quantitative data, researchers use different methods to gather their information that can eventually be counted. From there, they can create a statistical analysis on the results. Going back to the example of cats, a quantitative approach would include the researcher examining the data, sorting the cats into categories, and conducting a statistical test to find a solid number of cats in each category. We want to emphasize that both quantitative and qualitative approaches are very important to understanding behavior. To summarize the difference between the two methods, quantitative research studies relationships, provides comparisons, as well as a cause and effect. The data collected usually comes from surveys, using inventory, or existing data. The types of analysis include correlations, t-tests, regressions, just to mention a few. It utilizes large samples, and the application is more general. Words that are associated with quantitative questioning are describing, comparing, identifying, and predicting. On the other hand, qualitative research examines a phenomena in rich specific details. The design itself is flexible and can be changed over time. Data can be collected by conducting observations, interviews, focus groups, and narratives. The types of analysis include phenomenology, grounded theory, and ethnography. It also utilizes smaller samples. The application is specific and transferable. Words that are associated with qualitative research are process, experiences, phenomena, perceptions, and stories. Thanks for listening.